So S of t is on the y-axis. I've just made a quick sketch of what this would look like. I have no idea. I haven't really done much except that I know the y-intercept is 10. I know it's a quadratic that opens up. But as time goes by, my position will change. Even without a graph, I know that I'm going one direction, and then as I start to go the other direction, that is where I change directions at the minimum of the graph. So even with pre-calculus, you could use negative b over 2a and find the location of that vertex. But with calculus, it's even easier because you know the slope. At the bottom of your parabola, anytime the slope is 0, it's the same as the derivative being 0. So I'll take this derivative, s prime of t, that equals 2 times 2 times 2 to the 1 minus 7. And I want that slope to be 0 because the minimum is where I'll change direction. So 4t minus 7 equals 0, or 4t equals 7, or time is equal to 7 over 4. What did we do? We looked to find the minimum, or you could also think of this as the derivative of this would be velocity. When is the velocity equal to 0?